Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have another vehicle. This is the 2018 Cadillac CT6, the 3-liter twin turbo. We are going to be doing rear brake replacement. So I do have two separate videos for the front and for the back. And let's get started. Okay, so this is a really crucial step since we have the electronic parking brakes in the back. In order to put it into service mode, we're going to start up the vehicle. It starts up. Now I'm going to do is press on the brake pedal and then press on the brake switch here. You're gonna keep on holding it around 10 seconds. Now we should actually get a brake service light flashing on my right side, close to my temperature gauge. And once we see this, then I'm gonna release the switch and press it one more time. And that's it. As you can see, it's currently flashing. This means we are good to go. Now we'll turn off the vehicle and start our procedure. We have our jack mounted right over here. Once we have the tire removed, we have two bolts right over here and one at the bottom. They're 14 number. So we are going to be installing these AC Delco ceramic brakes. They had these to come OEM before someone actually put in really bad quality Duralast brakes, and they were actually falling apart on the other side. And they were actually fairly new, but the way they just installed them, this vehicle has a twin turbo, so it's not really meant to have those bad quality brakes, and they were also damaging the rotors as well. So luckily we changed these in time.